guys, this is the Android Pro, and now as the Christmas season is coming up, I'm going to show you the top 7 apps for you to download on your Android phone. The first app over here is the Christmas ringtones. In this season, the Christmas alerts and notifications would sound really nice on your phone, and this is the Christmas ringtone app. As you can see, there are a lot of varieties for you to choose from. These ringtones would really sound nice on your phone for this Christmas season. The next app is the Christmas countdown. This app shows you the exact time left for Christmas to come. Over here it's the 9-day, 12-hour, 42 minutes and 45 seconds and counting. You can also add widgets of this application on your home screen. This will keep you completely updated of when Christmas is gonna come. The next app is the Christmas HD wallpaper. It gives you a 3D and HD effect of the wallpaper on your home screen. The Christmas photo frame app. Over here you have a lot of Christmas effects for your photos. For example, we choose the Christmas joy and we take a sample image, and this is how the picture looks along with this effect. 3D Xmas live wallpaper. You have to go in your settings and choose from live wallpapers. It's a red theme and draws a beautiful Christmas tree on the home screen. The Run Santa Run app. Then we have the puzzle app called the 100 Christmas Gifts. There are 100 levels in it and we have to just solve the puzzle.